Okay, so the clothes are in, and this says detergent. Somehow it's in English, and I put the detergent in there, and then closed it. So let's attempt to do this. I'm going to press the on button, and then the button she told me, and I think that's it. So 44 minutes. Yay, there's water pouring down. Thank you, G1, for helping me, and I'm very happy that you were there to help me because I really needed to do laundry, and it's working. So all I pressed was this button and then this button to start it, and to stop it you said to press this button again, and then it will stop, but it'll stop on its own after the time is up. So thank you for your help, and I really appreciate it. Okay, so my clothes are finished, and they're all hanging here on the dry rack to dry. So mission accomplished. Yay!